What is up, guys? We are in the town of Hsipaw, which is in the northeastern part of the country. This is probably the most north we could go without actually getting a permit, which is kind of cool. Cruising around this morning, checking out some cool places. This afternoon, try and hike to another waterfall, and then we are on the night bus to Mandalay tonight for the next few days. Let's check it. After spending one night in the beautiful mountain town of Hsipaw and taking the train to get there, we have made it to our hostel for the next few days in the city of Mandalay. Our hostel, Ostello Bello, is supposed to be one of the best. Here in Mandalay, we're going to check out the White Temple, the Mandalay Palace, Mandalay Hill. There's a Blue Lagoon around, so get to see all this over the next few days. And then I fly out of here to Chiang Mai, Thailand on the 24th. So we're gonna get to see all that. For now, let's see the city of Mandalay. Cool, guys, we are here at Mandalay Palace, which was built back early 1900s. It is still used actively for the military training and everything. Most of it is actually blocked off to foreigners with military everywhere. And we're making our way towards the main palace now, which I'm actually allowed to go see and kind of check that out for a little bit. We just came out of the Kaltuda Pagoda, which we just saw, and we are now inside the Shwenanda Monastery, which is one of the oldest monasteries here in Mandalay. It is now an archaeology site for the country, and I'm literally the only person inside right now. It's super quiet. I'm not supposed to be talking, but, well, no one's here. What are they gonna do? About to head down to the second most spiritual site in the country. We saw the Golden Rock, we saw the biggest pagoda in Myanmar in Yangon, and now is for the second pilgrimage site. Now, let's start driving. Cool, guys, we are at Mahamuni pagoda, more or less, which is the #2 most sacred pilgrimage site in the country. Not gonna lie, it's pretty lame. I really can't even go anywhere near the pagoda because I'm not Burmese, and it says you're not supposed to take pictures inside or they're gonna give me a fine, which is also really stupid. So I'm just about out of here, grab some lunch, and do Mandalay Hill for sunset.
There's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us out. You're mine. All that I need.
Hey guys, just got in the car with my driver, Mountain. Say hi, Mountain. We are headed to the airport now. I am flying out in 2 hours, headed to Chiang Mai, so back to Thailand. Let's get to it.
Got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're mine. All that I need. I'm trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just is.
What is up, guys? We are here in the Mandalay International Airport, and I've just checked into the business lounge. It was only $16. I get free drinks, free food, and the big bonus is I'm the only person here, so cannot argue with that. Just waiting for my flight, and it should be about an hour and a half until we leave. So until then, I have my beer and just waiting on that. Cheers. Cool, just made it to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Tried to record the immigration process. The immigration officer took my GoPro. He made me delete everything that I just recorded, so I'm now recording the baggage claim. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Check out my next vlog to see more. This will be it for this one. Cheers.